Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
Yes. Oh, Krypton music. Hi, bro. That's my brother. That's my brother. We'll call him Tuku. Tuku. Wagwan Tuku. It's not Zine pretty low underscore Kali, right? Or the Q for silent. English language, don't you? The Q is always apparent. So all of a sudden it's that quick Zine on the phone. See her here. I'm gonna pin that one here. Wait, let me read it again. Lyric, leave me, cause IG now give me justice, so that's why it's tears. Maga come up with my brand of serial name lyrics that Maga do. So like one serial. I'm about to do an ad, by the way. Hi, in the mornings, I can't live without my lyric cereal. Ding. Or, you see, a morning time, I can't even bother get up. Best when I hear the cereal, I throw in a little bowl. I'm going to throw in my little syrup. I'm going to throw in my little milk. Why you drink syrup with cereal? First of all, diabetes. Second of all, no. I'm not even want to wake up a morning time. Best when I throw my little lyric cereal, and I hear the flakes that I drip on the bowl. It give me an energy, I'm not lie. Skirt! That's all like one gangster. You know, so you have to make everybody promote a product from different walks of life so you can get it sold. In England, I sent for my lyric cereal back home. I have barrels of it. I can't get enough lyrics. What should I accent again? Like, in the mornings, my energy is so low and I'm so bloated. So I drink my lyric cereal. Thanks, lyrics. I just love her. The creator of the cereal? You don't know her? Leave my home. Give me my bowl. I'm not doing this ad. How can you not? Like, I don't want football. What else? Hey, in Nigeria. I don't know if it's what they speak in Nigeria because they have different accents. Hey, in Nigeria. I love my lyrics cereal. She's very sexy. I love her. I love her bottom. I love her hair. Why am I switching accents to King Julian? You know, say King Julian, King Julian Annie. So King Julian would have said something like that. I like that for King Julian. If you're a cartoon character, you want to purge. But that's the point. That's the aim. So lyrics, cereal, and everybody can promote it. Everybody. I don't know how to speak Trinidadian. When I over here in Trinidad, and I hear about the lyrics cereal, I had to go back myself. You know, they start shipping in Trinidad now. I don't know how Trinidadian speak. Well, you go to figure out Guineas. I know I'm never going to tell you about... Why not Guineas? I drink 2 Guineas from Gamma Bed. No, I drink my tea. Yes, the last thing I had was my tea, my ISO tea. So 2 Guineas and then ISO tea. Big whoop. Remember, last have a product with a name like, oh, they do. Them have the lyrics juice. It's a Alaska nasty. Aska. Screen or card, I'm gonna talk to Lasco. Guys, screen or card, I'm gonna talk to Lasco and then send it to them. Aska. I ever have a drinks near my lyric. So I know about my juice. Alaska. They have lyrics juicy. No, I'm my jewels. Stop that. So nasty. And the screen record. Now I'm famous. Brand deals or a cease and desist letter. We don't know. Either way, there's no such thing as bad publicity. Period. Menstrual. Vaginal blood. Bleed. Cramps. bloating. And that's on bloating. Them accept it. Renee calm. Oh, thank God. Them accept it. Renee calm. Is that true? Is that true thing? I'm not gonna lie. What lyrics know about my Jews? Speak it into being. Yes, she and yeah. Right, the saw. Oh, them know about my Jews. Swan. Talk truth. Swan on the sport chain. Them don't know. Unless. What them get my Jews? Let's go. Sorcery. Black magic. Obia. And a different flavor too. Like, you took my juices and remixed it? What was wrong with the original? Lasco? I don't like that at all. That's crazy to me. I don't know about it. And that's on PMS. Hey, order that. Win him. I'm a playing this, my gearbrick queen. Just plain old Kim. Oh, shadada. Esatata. At this time, we'll be passing the offering plate. Oh, Rabba. Just plain Kim with underscores. So you know. She knows what she's doing. That's the name. And that upon PMS. Why are my facial expressions so facial expression? At this time, I don't have 4 subjects, and one of them is drama. And that is exactly what happened. But anyway, I hope you guys are laughing really hard, especially those who are crying and all depressed. Shit, my justice ain't gone back. Wait, don't go back there. Don't go. Look how me I sweat. See, blood cleans me too, my pillowcase. Oh no. Look how me I sweat. What? Hopefully you laugh, because I'm pressed. That means my pillow go stink. I forgot to sun it. You know, I'm not sun it because I'm asleep on it. Jonathan, Mama, this smells so. Stop asking questions. Turn on the other side. Jonathan, the pillow have 2 sides. Turn the pillow on the other side, Jonathan, and stop smelling my pillowcase. Turn it on the other side. Pressure. I have 4 subs too. I don't know what that is. Why do I look down at random comments and then my last? And then by the time I explain, your explanation gone up in the comments and my further last, Sarah, when you try to explain. Well, nah, use the pressure to the Renee calm. Well, nah, use it. That up on PMS. Not today, Satan. PMS, not today. But nah, sonnets. This is I'm a juice. Hey, my lyrics Steve from me. That's why I've never had the flavor. And I said, no, so this one like a flavor. No, we have to. No, Conroy, we have to add the flavor. Have you tasted it? It's a little bit bitter. You get it bitter because of what I'm going through. Anyway, it's a little bit bitter, so we have to put a little flavor and a little bit of color. Because she's a vibrant personality, so a little bit of color. Why do one of Velasco come from foreign? I don't like that. I don't like that I blood cleanse. I don't like when my accent just go foreign. What I'm going to say one Jamaican. You know what I mean? I'm in love. Oh, Destiny Queen. Oh, Princess. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Hi to Shana. 878. Hey, Princess. Fun size Davy. Yeah, man. Them name them I can read. The J. Neil. Yeah, man, not. Sonnet. Come in. Water. Oh, you know it's a water drip from my leg. What you know about my body? When you can't see? When you smell it? Me not. Not well. Me not well. Oh, you know, say, not this are sweet. You know, because she's fluffy. I know, say, and whatever fupa. Because me, I was like, I have to keep her warm. So that my belly did it for. I'm going to try with the belly, but I said, no, miss, I have to say, should I keep warm? I'm going to say, you're right. So she'll keep warm, she'll sweat. And if it's like me, it drip. Oh, Lord, this conversation done got to Pornhub. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I don't know how we got here. I've been talking about juices all day. I just came on here to say you're not alone. I swear to God, you're not alone. I might understand. Do not unlive yourself. And now we're here talking about Pornhub. I don't know what's going on. Jesus. Lord God. Lord have mercy. Why? Why, Lord? Why? Why me? Why me? Why me? Yeah, I think you're a shelter. Jamaican that chief. I think you're a shelter. Look warmth. Look warmth. So, and if you sweat in natural, your body is releasing toxins on a perspiration lines. And maybe she get, you know what I'm about this? Cause my mind, no filter. I know them a screen record. I like this. As a unit, when I look good. 420, when I look at that blood cleanse, as a unit, we don't look good. When I like that for we. When I like that. Girl, Nick, your thirst mask, because from there you talk about juice and drip. Daddy. My mouth is a bit parched, dry. I have to be licking it a lot to keep it moist. Wet, you know. I don't want it dry. Gah! So you do for devotion this morning? What you read? What you read for devotion? Huh? When a random conversation just turn on my flashback. I like that for myself. Jesus. You know, they say, Lord, if you're not busy, come here. Is that God can't? No, Jesus. I'm omnipresent. Ah! Dang it. You thought of everything, didn't you? Didn't you, God? You done thought of everything, Jesus. Laughter is medicine, and the Bible says, laughter is medicine, good medicine. Good medicine, laughter. So, I wouldn't believe even if I end the life on a very naughty note. So, like a laughter, good medicine. You can call a friend or your husband friend. LOL, LMAO, RTFL. Because it's good medicine. Good medicine. That the Bible says so. But now I get Elena, I get the outer door at Evo. I also laugh the halo, them and the wings and the honey. The honey I got water down, obviously got to share for the rest of the week. Because in a minute I go order, I said it's over. Everybody pan alive again outer Evo with me. Because they pan alive, I see me from the start. Hey, we go there together. I'm going to want no girl touch my style. Don't touch my style. Don't touch my style. We're not going to make it in, but we're going to do it, you know. Grandma go in, mommy go in. Jonathan Jalil. When me not coming, I so come Jonathan, go on in. Me not go, me can't go in. Me know that you're fuck. Me not go in. No, I come, Jalil, go. I come in, go. Go, grandma. Go, grandma and Gigi, go. That's what them call my grandmother, Gigi. Yeah, we outside. Yeah, you call JNA. We're out the door. That's a us laugh look at things, them. Can you imagine? Me and my little crew. All 400 of us. So if you think so you're going inside of heaven, you must be mad. Go inside the road all the way. We're not done dry back out the door. You're mad. You're mad. All of us is in this together. I have to share my only feed. That's the only water down. I have to share it up. Kind of really much. And I'm much. So I have to share it up and hustle. We can't hustle. And I'm something there. Do you hear the birds? Oh, I just heard them. As you said it, when you read the comment, I heard the birds. I just heard them. Oh, I've been so invested in this life. What are we? Oh, just that. Yeah, come, SpongeBob. Yeah, audience. Can you imagine? Sail out. Audience, go by the center. I know. Audience, don't do this. Audience, don't do this. Audience, not stretch. Don't do this. I may not be able to see see this live because I may have showed my body in a porn hobby kind of way. So I can say, no? I can say, go. I can say. You can hear them, yeah. Oh, it's in the shot. I know, so we're getting and jerk pan, Edward. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. We're going to have one battery there for true, you know. Because we love dress. We love in a short and maxi dress and them something. Can't go. Look at that. If I know I get me wrong, what I go reach. But like the inside experience, they've been about like get up your hopes, you know? Look at this. Go on. And nobody will come to them, but it's kind of gone in. Because we're there, at least. I was saying soup. Yeah, that's somebody officers soup. Can I for bust a gas? Come and say, you can imagine you come up, I expect for going in and reaching this out the door, you're shocked. Maybe drink some soup. I don't know why it's so drink the soup. I goated. I don't know if I tell you I goated, but just drink the soup. Shock. Lyric, your surface laughing is not coming from your soul. Lyric, I'm so fond of you. I'm deeply concerned. You see my manic turn off the internet. Lyric, please help. I'm in tears on you. I'm sorry. I don't want to laugh at you. I don't know laugh at you. But at least for everybody who thinks like this, because my trauma is so public, even when like I'm happy, because they're still in that mindset, they cannot come out of that mindset. It has nothing to do with you. They cannot come out of that mindset. So even when you're trying to be happy and just live and cope, it becomes you're doing this because of that and you're doing this because of that. But if I hadn't said shit about what I was going through, you would have been, Lyric, yes, where's the husband? I don't see him. Oh my God, Lyric, what husband said about your tattoo? Oh my, Lyric, I got your hair. Jeremy must say I'm mad. It would have been that if I had not shared my trauma. So when I give your testimonies, because the Bible says you overcome by the blood of the Lamb and the word of your testimony. So even when I give your testimony, be prepared to know the people how they saw you last. It's most impactful, and it may be impactful for them personally, because if it was them, then they wouldn't be where you are, or somebody that they're really close to is going through the same thing and they're not better, so there's no way you can be better. It's never a you thing. When they put your things out there, I'm telling you, it's scary, obviously, embarrassing, but people cannot move on. You see me? Like, people now can move on, like, from where you're there. Yeah, especially because, and I said it, because I posted that video this morning, I'm like, these people are going to think, like, this is for me. It's not for me. It's not for me, but I don't know what else to say, man. That's more of a you thing, baby. That has nothing to do with me. When I'm depressed and sad and laughing and surface happy, you guys know. Because I don't fake shit for social media or anybody. Oh, no. I might not post fair when I say shit, like, nah, I'm not posting from WhatsApp. Jesus God, I want to have someone, alright. I want to post, I'm going to say, guys, I'm not doing, you know, what I try so hard to do is to allow, even though I shouldn't be, is to allow you guys to see what's happening with me. Because I'm telling you, like, what's happening is like my testimony unfolding. I have not yet overcome, but I feel like I'm overcoming. You know what I mean? So yeah. And people say come off social media not remembering that this is how I make money. So what they're saying is I need to just quit my job and like screw all the bills and stuff I need to get for me and the boys and for the host. This is my job. When you're depressed and you have work, you still go to that job so you can make the main man money. I have to make my own money, so I can't come off of social media. Okay? The psychologist just said you was. No, it's not psychology. It's just how my mind is, and I think most creatives are like this. My mind is, I don't want to say erratic, but that's the word that's coming to me. It does that. You know what I mean? It does that. it does that, and that's how I process. For some of us, that's how we process things. And I may have like acute ADHD for true. I've never ever looked into it, but I may have it for true. Isn't it? I may have it for true. So some are gonna have to read upon it. But I'm not gonna say it's not that deep because it is deep for some people. So I'm gonna leave it at that. But if you see me genuinely happy, just respect that shit. Because when I'm genuinely unhappy, you respect it. You guys call. You send DMs. You leave messages. You respect it. So why then is my happiness suspect? Because there's no way she could have gotten... Ain't nobody said I'm over shit, honey. Ain't nobody say that. But we're all here on this life coping. We're all here on this life having a good damn time. Look at you. Manana can switch the mood of blood cleanse. Can't do that shit tough. And that shit, but I don't have a bra on. You know them girls, honey, they hang low. My girls be like low riders, you know. Like them hipsters jeans, they hang low, so I can't jump because I can't. And they suppose y'all watch the live load and all the president areas. What am I gonna think y'all watch? Where y'all watch? Lyric have OnlyFans? Oh, she jump, so that's on the... Oh, okay. I said them did long, them nice, they do them loud. Turn it down. Turn it down. You know, like, wear headphone. With a headphone. You know, like that thing. Wait. Do your boobs hang low? Do they wobble to the floor? Do they and then do you tie them in a bow? Do you throw them over your shoulder like I got it and I told you? Do your boobs hang low? They sure do. And they do. I'm going to admit it's a TikTok song. And they do. Sure do. Father God, why in this morning, Father? Oh, to those of you who are Seventh Day Adventist, hi. I hope you're not watching this before you go to church. If I was to say out the door at church, just don't watch it. Watch it. Come back. I'm gonna skip the live. Just come back and just watch it after church. Okay? But if you reach us here, they're too far. I'm not like that for you. So not like that for you. Okay, I'm gonna eat. As I come off my gun, do your boobs hang low? I can't say boobs on TikTok, right? Girls, I'm gonna say girls. Do your girls, but then you think I should like wobble and like throw it over my shoulder for dramatic effect, of course. I don't know. Do your boobs hang low? Do they wobble to the floor? Do you tie them in? Do you tie them in? Do you shoulder? I'm gonna do that. It's for dramatic effect and for like physical comedy. It's gonna work. It's gonna be good. Might get taken down, but it's gonna be good for like a couple minutes or whatever. It is. Guys, I'm gonna go, okay? Who is cussing? You guys are lucky Raven is not on this, because if Raven was on it, Natty Nubian. First of all, I like your name. Fifth of all, baby, not that. My address it, my address it, my pants it, my skirt it, my blouse it, my bow tie it, my shorts it, my top it, my shoes it, my brassiere it, my address it, baby, it's addressed, fully clothed, don't rat, don't get a son, no rat. Made that hurt me. Why you know what? So crying out loud. I gave you guys a new one. Y'all thought I was gonna cuss the F word. La la la. Okay. Made that hurt me, you know? I'm gonna edit tablet. They might take the video because the audio is something.